long time no see. Welcome back to Life with Tamika Lynn. If you are new here, I definitely appreciate you stopping by. And if you're returning, I do appreciate the support. Over here, I love to talk about all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If those are things that interest you, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're at it, hit that bell notification so that you're aware each and every time I upload a new video. So I have been meaning to make this video for like 2 weeks now, but life, it just keeps lifing. This year has been flying by. I've been extremely busy. And yeah, I'm just trying to keep up. I'm just trying to keep my head above water. But anywho, I have a unboxing today. I'm actually a little late to the party because at first I said no to this item. And then the more I thought about it, the more I was like, you know what? I can use it in my collection. If you want to see what that item is, I would love for you to stick around. Oh, I forgot to show you guys my bag of the video, or bag of the day, bag of the week. I've been carrying this bag for like weeks now. I would definitely rank this bag like top 5 in my collection. And that's kind of hard for me to say because I have a lot of favorites, but I am absolutely in love. And that is the Soft Speedy 30. And this is from the LV times Murakami collection. I absolutely love this bag. I have been carrying it nonstop. It kind of coordinates. I wear a lot of black, as you can see. I love graphic tees, so you see Ice Cube on my shirt. But I love this bag so very much. I just love the versatility of it. I carry it over my shoulder with this like new reinvented shoulder strap, and then sometimes I carry it top handle. But I just love how like squishy it is. I love the colors. I get so many compliments whenever I carry it. This was definitely a really good purchase for me because I have a lot of bags in my collection, and I have a lot of bags in my collection that I have never worn. But this one right here, I'm definitely getting I'm definitely getting my wear out of it. Now, I still haven't removed, if you could see that, I still haven't removed any of the plastic, and I guess I need to go ahead and do that because it's all coming up. The only thing I took the plastic off of was the keychain or key lock right here, but other than that, I hadn't really removed any of the plastic. So I think I'm actually gonna do that today. But anyway, so back to this unboxing. I saw this item when it was first being released, like before it was released. I knew it was coming out, but I was like, Tamika, you do not need another SLG. If you've been following me for a while, you know that SLGs, small leather goods, they have my heart. I love SLGs. I have a lot of them in my collection. I love to match my bags. So more than likely, if I have a bag, I have a, coordinating or matching SLG to go with it. That's just what I love. I love being organized. I love mini pochettes. I love any and everything organization. So when this item was first coming out, I was like, oh, I think I need that. But then I was like, no, I don't. I reached out to my CA after it was released, maybe like 2 months ago or so, maybe a little longer than that. I can't really remember. But at the time I reached out to her, she did not have it in stock. CA is client advisor, guys. She did not have it in stock. So she basically said it would take her about a week, to get it in store and she could, have it shipped out to me or whatnot. I was like, oh, okay, I'll let you know, because there was a bag that I have been contemplating on for months, still contemplating on it. Sometimes I'll like check in with her to make sure it's still available for order, but that's a story for a different day. So anyway, so I had reached out to her several months ago. She said she could get it in for me, but I kind of put a pause on it, said, I'll let you know, I'll let you know if I decide to get it. Fast forward about a month ago, I was up late at night. I couldn't sleep and I was on the LV website. And I don't know, I just like to peruse the website sometimes. I'm like wish shopping because I do have some bags on my wish list. But again, I really don't need anything. So it's hard for me to pull the trigger at this point. But anyhow, I was on the LV website and I saw that this item was available, add to cart. Now, mind you, I've never ordered anything online before. Like, I've been shopping with Louis Vuitton for 20 years now. And I have always used like a CA or a SA, no matter what state I was in. I've always, built a relationship, no matter what country I was in. It's just, I've always went, in store or reached out to a SA sales associate or sales advisor or a CA client advisor. But I was like, you know what? It's added cart. Maybe that's a sign that I need to go ahead and buy this item. So I did. So I went ahead, you know, paid online, but then I got the notification saying that it wouldn't be mailed for like 2 weeks. So I stayed in like this validation or pending validation, like status for about a good week and a half, which I was a little perturbed at that. I was like, this is just whatever. But anyway, so after about 2 weeks, the item finally, it shipped, and I received it extremely fast. I want to say maybe within like 2 days of it being approved for, I guess, shipping, right? So it came, and I've been sitting on it for like another 2 weeks. I've had so much going on. We have family in town for Mother's Day weekend and my daughter's birthday. I haven't had the time. So I was like, you know what? I need to go ahead and open this box, because if something is wrong, I think I only have like 30 days to say something. So let's just go ahead and get this video out the way. So I haven't opened the box yet. I did remove my address from it, but what I've always seen when people order online, they have like this little thing that you pull. So I'll go ahead and pull it. So this is a true unboxing, guys. And it's I told you, right? It's a smaller leather good. It's a SLG. So give me 1 second. Let me try to open this box. All right, so open the box, and I have my receipt, which common sense would say this is my receipt. And then there's just like a little statement, just basically a thank you. And it just says that, you know, we hope you are pleased, blah, blah, blah. There's a return label, I'm assuming, if I do not want to keep it. And then there is just my receipt itself. Wow, the receipt when you order online looks quite different than when you buy in store. But anyway, so let's get into the box. Now, I think some of you can guess what this item is, especially like some of the people that I tend to love on YouTube. Like, I have some people that I absolutely love, and I'm like, I love to watch their videos. But some of my, like, these are my friends in my head. Like, I absolutely love these people. Never met them a day in my life. Like Miss B Lux, Forever Ebony. There's like so many people on YouTube that I'm like, oh yeah, we're friends. Like, if we ever meet in person, we are truly friends. But some of them have this item, and I think that's really like what convinced me in the back of my mind to go ahead and pull the trigger. But anyhow, so let me open the box and let's take a look. So like most SLGs, it does have this little pull drawer type situation going on. So let's just open it. And I actually finally added to my collection the key pouch in small. I am finally so happy to have this. I debated for a while on getting this, so I am excited to actually add it to my collection. I thought this was like really neat from the standpoint that, like, and I'll show you guys, I have the original key clay, and I have it in different versions, and it's quite small. I can fit cards in it, but if it was a little bigger, it would be much more efficient in my opinion. And so when I saw that this was coming out, I just thought it was such a great idea. I feel like for SLGs, this is at a price point, and I'll put it on the screen. I can't remember exactly how much I paid, but this is at a price point where, you know, if you're new to buying Louis Vuitton or luxury items and you want to start with something small, I feel like this would be a great buy. It's going to be very functional, right? And it would introduce you, you know, to the brand, for sure, right? Now on the actual key pouch, oh, it's still called a key clay, okay? And it just says small. And this is the product code number, and it still has this key ring on it like the other one does, and I'm going to show you guys the difference between the two. Now on the inside, it does have a slip pocket right here, and then it has like this, I don't know, like leather textile lining. Not sure of the proper name. I'll look and put it on the screen, and then this is just the textile card. But I definitely think I will get a lot of use out of this. I carry like a key clay, mini pochette. Like, I carry something or multiple things in my bag every day. So I definitely think I would get a lot of use out of this. Now, just giving it the once over, because since I blind, bought this. I just want to make sure it's all good. Let me see. It's made in France. I'm surprised because I just assumed I would probably get something that was made in the US, but it is made in France, if you could see that. So I'm kind of happy about that. Quality issues, but we're not going to get on that. Now, this is the original key clay, and this is in the DENIM print. Now, I'm going to compare the two, and as you can see, the original is quite smaller than the new small size. So I definitely can get cards, cash, coupons. I mean, I can get a lip gloss, lipstick, my keys. This will definitely hold a lot. Now, I brought down a key clay, and this was from the Denim Remix collection. And it's actually, in my opinion, it's smaller than the original. And it looks like it's the same, but I swear this is a harder fit because it's hard for me to put cards in here. And I contemplated on selling this, but then I decided to just keep it. But again, it's quite smaller than the small key pouch. So like I said, I think it will definitely be very useful in my collection. I also brought down, this is a 6-ring key holder. And it just has, you know, the little things. And I did get this hot stamped when I first bought it. But I just wanted to show you guys, because normally, you know, a key clay is used to hold keys. That's what the purpose is normally for. But I just wanted to show you guys the size comparison to the actual key pouch in small. And as you can see, it's still much smaller. And then the only other thing I brought down was, this is a kirigami. This is actually a medium kirigami, and it's from a previous collection. Can't remember right now. I'll put it on the screen, but I wanted to see the size comparison to the kirigami. And the medium kirigami is still quite, it's bigger, but the small kirigami is more like this size, so it would definitely be smaller. So yeah, it definitely will give me some options in how I pack my bag and how I bring my daily essentials. I might do like a follow-up like short just to show you guys me stuffing this, but I will definitely be using this. I can see me using this as a daily, you know, catch-all type deal, like adding cards. If I'm carrying a smaller wallet, putting extra cards in here. I never really put my keys in these. I just never do. And I never use this key ring thingy either. So most of the time I just keep it tucked inside. So that won't change for me. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to have a new SLG in my collection. If you guys have this in your collection, I would love to hear some of your feedback. It's been out several months now, so people have been able to get a lot of wear out of it, I'm sure. So I would love to hear some feedback if you have it. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button and give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. If you're not doing it already, hit that subscribe button. Not sure what you're waiting on, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, be safe.